Okay, Dale, thanks. Menstrual and pregnancy products are one step closer to being tax-free in the Lone Star State. In a near unanimous vote today, the Texas House of Representatives passed House Bill 300. It now moves on to the Senate. If it succeeds there, Texas will be the 25th state to exempt period products from taxation. Taylor Alanese has reaction from an organization that helps provide services and these types of products to women locally.
It's a step in the right direction.
Many would say House Bill 300 is a step forward for women's rights.
People don't like to talk about menstruation or periods, and I think it's really important because it's something that happens to everyone.
The legislation removes sales tax from diapers, baby wipes, bottles, maternity clothing, breast pumps, adult diapers, and period products.
It's great to prioritize women's health. Texas historically has not done a great job of doing that.
Christina Bonner is the Chief Operating Officer for Women's and Men's Health Services of the Coastal Bend.
We provide reproductive health care, annual exams, pap smears, STD screenings, women's and men's health, primary care to people that either don't have insurance or don't have access to care.
Of the 17,000 patients they see every year, Bonner says 73% of them are women of reproductive age.
I think 1 in 5 report missing school or work because they don't have access to period products.
An average box of tampons costs $7, but with the added tax, it's about $7.44. Well, minimum wage in Texas is $7.25, meaning a minimum wage worker would have to work more than an hour to be able to afford only one box of tampons. Forgetting inflation, it's estimated a woman will spend more than $66,000 in tampons in her lifetime. And that's only one menstrual product. Connor says they rely on donations to put period packs together and give them to their patients for free.
We actually go out and buy in bulk pads and tampons and create period packs. It's basically meant to get you all the way through a month.
Ending the tax on products like these will make the access easier and more frequent for women of all incomes and backgrounds.
It's something that really is a basic need like toilet paper.
Taylor Alanese, KRIS 6 News.
The Legislative Budget Board says it would cost the state an estimated $194 million in lost sales tax over 2 years. For more information on the women's and men's services of the Coastal Bend and another nonprofit, Crimson Cause, head to our website, kristv.com.